Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, we'll be diving into Kugamon CPQ to show you how easily you can configure, price, and quote even complex deals all in Salesforce. We'll build a quote together for a fictional client, Express Logistics and Transport. And a quick note, everything you see today for quotes applies equally to orders within Kugamon, offering you consistent power across your sales process. So let's dive right in and explore this further together. From the home page, let's navigate to Accounts. Then click to open Express Logistics and Transport. And now I am going to open this opportunity record. And let's say that I've just gotten off the phone with Express Logistics and Transport, and they let me know that they are ready to buy from me. So what I'm going to do from this opportunity record is click on this Generate Quote button. Now, what you'll notice right away on the quote record is a very modern interface. This is the SLDS2 UI designed to enhance your entire Lightning experience. And if you like this, we actually have a separate video on our YouTube channel explaining how to enable it, so be sure to check it out. Now, from this quote, let's click into Edit Lines to add our line items. Now this opens up a powerful Lightning configurator. First, we will need a line group to organize our line items. So let's click into this new group button, as this will create our first product and services line group. Next, let's add some line items. We'll click into this Add Lines button within this group. And this takes us to our product catalog system. A key feature here is Kugamon supports multiple catalogs. This means that you can have different catalogs for different product lines, regions, or customer segments, and easily select from the relevant one when building a quote or an order. For this demo, we're going to start with this generator catalog and click Next. Now we can easily add products. For example, I could just click to add this GenWatt propane, and you'll notice it turned green. And if I scroll up, I'm going to see that it was added here. Or I could click into the search bar and just start to type GenWatt, and then be able to just click on the plus button beside any of the GenWatt products that I want to add, and also just easily click on the little X to remove it. Kugamon's catalog is also highly customizable to your unique viewing preference. We're currently looking at the image view, but with a click into this icon here, we can easily switch to a list view, catalog view, tile view, and you can click into the gear icon to then save your preferred layout, ensuring that anytime you open the configurator, it always looks the way you want it to. From here, I'm going to click Next. And back in our Edit Lines view, let's give our line group a meaningful name. And also make sure that the description is printed on the quote. Now, let's add a couple more products to showcase different pricing models. I'll click back into Add Lines and then click Next. And from here, I'm going to add a product that demonstrates cost-based pricing, which is this Merkel Universal Adapter, and then click Next. And now here, if I click to open this drawer, you will see that Kugamon calculates the price based upon your defined cost and markup rules, ensuring profitability. So here I'm going to change the markup amount, and you'll notice in real time that the total amount changes. Next, let's add a product with tiered or volume-based pricing. So I'm going to go back and click on Add Lines, and this time I'm going to open the subscription catalog. And then from here, click to add this SLA Gold, click Next. And if I go back here, and then click to open this drawer, we'll see that the price per unit of this SLA Gold subscription can change based on the quantity ordered, allowing you to easily offer volume discounts automatically. So if I change this quantity of 1 to, let's say, 50, we will see that the price updates in real time. Now, as for customer loyalty, let's use the purchase assets feature. I'm going to click back into add lines, open the generator catalog this time, and now click into this purchased assets icon in the top left, and this opens the purchase assets folder. And this will show all of the previously purchased assets from Express Logistics. And this allows me to honor their old price by clicking on this little drop down and then clicking Use Purchase Price. So once I do that, we'll see the icon is green and the name of that asset is also bolded. So this is very, very nice for customer loyalty. If I click next, we're back in edit lines. And now let's explore one more scenario. This time I'm going to click into a new group and give this new group a name as well as a description. And then let's click add lines. And then I'm going to click on the All button to navigate back to the main product catalog page. Now we do support configurable products as well as kit bundles, which if you see here, include the whole bundle and all of the various members. And if I click next, you will see that the system guides us to configure this configurable product. So from here, let's say I want to select light commercial and keep all the other options within hardware as is. Let's see, I want the installation portable. Within support, I'm going to stick with standard, and within other, I'm going to go for SLA Gold. I do want to call out that we also support nested configurations, which is shown here with the SLA Bronze option. But I'm now ready to just confirm this configurable product as is. We get the green banner letting us know it is successful, and then let's click next. Now we're back in edit lines, but before we finalize, let's review total amount. Let's say that Express Logistics has a specific budget, and I want to be able to input that here. Essentially, this would help me as a sales rep see if I'm meeting budget targets and also trigger alerts or approval process if needed. So let's say that I want to update this line item here because this quote total amount is way over their budget. So I'm going to give a big discount here. And you'll see that the discount percentage is automatically updated. Now we're not done yet. From here, I'm going to click next. And within additional charges and credits, we'll click on the new group button to add a shipping charge of $150. and a credit card processing fee of $3. So here I'm going to modify the shipping fee as well as the credit card processing fee. At any point, I can use this control panel and set the global date for the entire quote if needed. So let's say instead of December, I actually wanted this at the end of October. So I can just push all of the dates back with just a few clicks. Now let's jump back into Edit Lines, where we will see our West Coast line group with our standard product, our cost-based pricing, and our volume or tiered-based pricing product. Additionally, we did modify one of these line items so that this Gen Watt propane can stay within the target budget amount. Now it all looks fantastic. Now, right below is our East Coast group with our configurable product, along with all of the components. Now I'm going to click on Save All and Close. And now let's generate our quote PDF by clicking on the Create PDF button. And here is our professional quote. Now, notice within our West Coast line group are all the line items we've added, including that cost-based pricing product and the volume or tiered pricing product. Now, within the East Coast group is our configurable product along with all of its components. Right below are the additional charges and credits, which you can see include the shipping fee and the credit card processing fee. This level of detail and organization is crucial for complex and simple sales. Now, this quote is ready to be shared and can be easily shared by this email PDF button. So that was a walkthrough of the key Kugamon CPQ functionalities, from catalog management and diverse pricing models to complex configurations and professional document generation. Remember, these powerful features and more are available for both quotes and orders. If you have any questions about anything you've seen today, do not hesitate to send us your inquiry to support@kugamon.com. And if you like this video and want to explore some more, including how to enable the SLDS2 UI, check us out at www.kugamon.com. As always, we thank you for tuning in and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.